educational experiment, parents' orientation, teachers' readiness, and other various small and big experiments are executed to make school atmosphere with fun-filled learning. Attendance card. Regular attendance of the students is the foundation of educational development. The parents' meeting of each class was called and awareness was created about the importance of punctuality in the school and were taken them into confidence about the attendance card for students. The attendance card was meant to make a note by class teacher regarding their holiday, late arrival in the school, monthly attendance, and the number of holidays taken in the month. This was signed by the class teacher and headmaster. The students were expected to get signature of their parents. Those who were consistently late or irregular students, parents' visits were made to find out the real reasons. Most of the issues were solved in meeting their parents. This helped in acquiring more than 90% attendance in the school daily. Handwriting improvement. While observing the classes and checking the notebooks of the students, we realized that more than 60% students' handwritings were not readable and dirty. Thus, the children from Standard 3 to Standard 8 were brought in for this project. We took personal interest to take special coaching in making them understand the handwritings, showcasing them on walls and making them to write on ground with different color mud. This encouraged children to take part enthusiastically. At the same time, their handwriting were getting improved. Books, my friend. In order to improve their linguistic skill, the school library was kept open daily. The students were given 15 minutes daily to read subject-related reference materials, and they were allowed to take the books home. Reading corner is developed so that students can read during their leisure time. The competitions like best readers, best books based on their knowledge were held in order to encourage children to access more books for reading. Thus, I could see the difference by the time students reach Standard 8 in acquiring writing and speaking skill in the language. Learn English while speaking. Most of the children fear speaking in English. In order to remove their fear and cultivate interest in English subject, they were given instructions as per their standard to speak only in English. The material was developed by school and circulated in the classrooms. All the possible efforts, such as English words and simple sentences, were written so that child can see even while walking on the corridor of the school. This helped in engaging children even while he or she has nothing to do. Writing skills in my notebook. The children can write something innovative and new which they have gained outside classrooms can be added in that subject-related notebook. How to write those matter in the books using color pencils and drawing were taught. These notebooks were checked by their own peers and thus creative group learning idea was imparted among children. Children started doing it so wonderfully that their notebooks were always found neat and tidy in their bags because it became personal and precious treasure for them. I Can Do It. The project I Can Do It was mainly focusing to develop their self-confidence. Students were given an educational challenge every week. The students were expected to do on their own more than 30 tasks, such as learning by heart tables, learning new 50 words in English, give speech in Sanskrit were given, to which students showed great interest. Learn table with playway method. Children develop interest in maths and maths table. With this intention, Learn table with playway method was initiated. This was implemented in Standard 3 to 8. Various TLM method was used to explain the table, and their knowledge of table was strengthened. I have personally invested in purchasing self-exercise books and given to the students, especially during holiday time. This model was chosen as district and the state level for innovation fair. In order to inculcate among the children love for nature, the children are encouraged to gift flower pot or saplings instead of bouquet or flowers on any occasions for felicitation. The Color Day is celebrated in order to distinguish color and understand their nature. Teachers are given exposure to another schools to impart better and innovative ways of learning from others. Clean Village by School. On the day of Gandhi Jayanti, school teachers, SMC members, parents and students team were formed and the whole village was cleaned. The competition of whose street is the best cleaned was organized, and total 200 dustbins were distributed to the best team of students. Birthday celebration. The birthday of students, teachers, SMC members, village leaders and parents were displayed on the board monthly, and they have been felicitated in the school. Thus, the people started donating the needed infrastructure in the school. E-Magazine Ujas. E-Magazine Ujas, a monthly bulletin, has been started in order to update the parents of various activities and happenings of the month. This magazine carries various news of the school, such as winners of various competitions, photographs of various programs, and school news. This helps in making people in the village and parents known of innovative ways their kids are learning. School is a laboratory for us here. We ensure that all the experiments are done with the intentions of ensuring the overall development of the student. Thus, the school becomes lively for all those who enter here.